We're back now with a startling new study from Long Island University. It says that ChatGPT can be harmful when it comes to online research about prescription drugs, managing your medications. Joining me now is NewsNation business contributor and New York Post reporter Lydia Moynihan. Lydia, I immediately just imagine all the people who like to WebMD themselves, and their symptoms online to their own detriment, now turning to ChatGPT for this. What kinds of risks did this study uncover?
Yeah, it is not WebMD, and it is certainly not an MD, which is really the only place that you should be seeking medical advice from. This was really shocking, though, because ChatGPT is very good at writing essays and poems and emails, but it is wildly off base when it comes to giving medical advice. So a couple of the reports that have surfaced, one was wild. Pharmacists asked ChatGPT 45 medical questions. It only accurately answered 12 of those questions. And some of the advice that it's doling out can actually be quite dangerous. One of the questions that it was asked was, does Paxlovid, which is an antiviral COVID treatment, does that interfere with my blood pressure medication? And ChatGPT, in a much more sophisticated manner, said, no, don't worry about it, you're fine. And in reality, if you had taken that advice, you would potentially have dangerously low blood pressure. Now, it's not just that ChatGPT doesn't use the most current information. It only has information up until 2021, but it just doesn't seem to register or really put two and two together when it comes to medical questions. A spokesperson for ChatGPT chimed in and said, yeah, we never recommended that people actually do this, but it is tempting. Obviously, it's good at a lot of other things. And, given the cost of medical services, it makes sense to try and figure out, oh, is there another cheaper option? But this is really not it. And there are potentially very dangerous consequences if you do seek out ChatGPT's medical advice.
Yeah, speaking of the cost of everything, even just your basic annual, appointments and checkups, you're now getting billed out the wazoo for those. So I imagine a lot of people are turning to the internet. So I guess, the takeaway is take it with a grain of salt, or don't go there at all. But are there any guidelines there to keep why are we even able to research medical questions on ChatGPT when it is so novel? What's being done to stop that?
Nothing at this point. It seems like they're saying, well, we're not going to take responsibility. And I will note, too, even with WebMD actually does typically have accurate advice. There's typically people who are going through those offerings. This is literally a machine, and it's known to, quote unquote, hallucinate or literally make things up. And so this is still very early stages when it comes to giving out proper information. I will note that we've done some really incredible segments on this show about cool health startups, Sesame, other options offering $30 appointments. So I think hopefully there are increasingly affordable options. But again, the convenience of just going online feels really easy. But in this case, you're getting information that is wildly off base because this is still such a new technology. And again, it hallucinates or literally just tries to make things up sometimes when it's answering. That is really not just a bug, but also a feature of ChatGPT.
Yeah, rendering completely wrong answers or no answers at all for patients, which sometimes keeps them from going to the doctor at all. There are other credible options out there. Lydia Moynihan, thanks so much for joining us this morning. We'll see you soon.
Great to see you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.